make Chana Masala pizza, this is all what we need. I have a thin pizza base and a handful of spinach. We need makhani gravy, chickpeas boiled, mozzarella cheese, jalapeno, 1 tablespoon of chana masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of salt, and some cumin. Let's get started. This is about a teaspoon of oil. To this I'll add cumin powder, salt, chana masala. Now we'll add the chickpeas. I'll add half a teaspoon of the gravy. Give it a mix. Just a tablespoon or 2 of water. The chana masala is ready. Now let's get started with our pizza. Here is the makhani paste, which I will apply a thin layer to the base. This looks good. Now we will top it up with spinach leaves. We'll just add a thin layer of cheese. Now we'll add the chickpeas. And now I will add jalapenos to it. And now we are ready to bake it. I have preheated the oven at 550. As I put the pizza in, I will reduce the temperature to 475 and we'll bake it for about 5 to 7 minutes or until done. The pizza is baked and looks pretty. Now we will add just a few baby spinach leaves on the top. On this I will add some ranch, vegan ranch again. And also I'm going to add some garlic and cilantro dip. These things are totally optional, but they do enhance the flavor even more. This is it. Enjoy.